Well, hi, how are you? I'm doing okay. I haven't really felt like myself lately, as I'm sure literally no one has. I got a little spark of creativity and motivation right now, and that's been scarce for me recently. So I thought I would do something about this hair, and we could kind of go digging for all time's sake. Be right back. Yeah, my hair's officially way too long. Let's go digging. Let's go digging. Believe it or not, this is not one of my favorite pastimes, lugging this out of my closet. Okay. Oh, I forgot about these. These used to be my mom's. Stoney's about to come over here. Hey. Hi.
Are you so curious? Okay, go away. Go away now, go away.
Remember this bag? I don't think you understand just how much I have to upcycle. It's like a whole bag of just fabrics. Oh my god. And then it's not even all of it. Like, I have this box. Oh my god. If you're not a subscriber yet, go ahead and do that, because you can be reassured that my videos will literally never end. Yeah, it still exists, and there's still a lot in it. I don't think that I'm ever gonna be able to go through all of this. I think that I've actually like made clothes from most of the materials in here. It's just like excess now. So I thought that we would kind of, you know, see what we could find. I usually kind of like get inspiration from something that I see online or something, and then I pick out the material after that. But I thought I could kind of do vice versa and, you know, use what I have obviously and make something from one of these things. I totally forgot about this. It's a Lily, I think it's Lily Pulitzer. No, it's not. But it's like a Lily Pulitzer style fabric, and I love it. It has these tigers on it. I feel like I can make something super cool, like a really fun top. Ooh, okay, so this one is a good contender. I have this leather skirt. I'm not getting into leather today. What am I thinking? Wow, there's just so much in here. I have a lot of this stuff left, which I made a PJ set, and I'll link that video below. I have so much left, and I kind of wanted to try to like bleach dye that PJ set. I haven't tried it yet, and I don't know if I want to, but I think that this color would look really cool bleach dyed. Maybe. I just have so many scraps. Like, what would I ever do? Remember this? You remember this. What am I gonna do with the rest of this? Save this for another day too. Okay, you know what? Since it's just so much fun, I'm gonna work with this. I'm already stressed. It's okay though, because I'm doing something, and that's a win for me today. How fun is this? And I totally forgot about it. So summery and adorable. Okay, how would this fabric look good in a top? Because I think I want to make a top. Ooh, 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 ooh. There's so much to think about. So I'm on Pinterest right now. You know what? I shouldn't even have to say that, because you already know, obviously, I'm on Pinterest looking for ideas. I had one that came to mind, which is like this top. This top. It's like one of those tops, Reformation style tops with like the bra cups. And then I was thinking, instead of having it tight fitting on the midriff or torso, it could kind of like be super ruffled out from that point, which I don't know how that would work. Or, ooh, I pinned this top the other day, this little like deep scoop neck top. Maybe I should save that for something else though. I don't know about that one. I really like the idea of kind of open décolletage type of top for this. I really like an off the shoulder kind of idea. What are we thinking? I'm just on it with the transitions today. So, I'm realizing that I could probably use a lot of this like shape that's already going on here in the top. So it has a zipper in the back, which is great. You know what? Maybe I could make this a two-piece set. Would that be cute? Or would it be like too much? When would I wear that though? Okay, so let me try and visualize this. Oh my goodness. Calm down, sir. Okay, let me get a plan together. Got it on. It's fitting pretty good, so that's good. I had this really interesting idea. I haven't finished the top yet, and I thought I could kind of imitate like a bustier type of look. You know how it looks like there's two bra cups here on the outside of the top. I thought I could kind of like fold over and then stitch that down. I'll show you how I do it, but that's what I was thinking, and then I'll finish the top down. So I might have to let some out of the sides because it's pretty tight right now, and then I think I'm just gonna finish off the bottom here and like add some sleeves, and then I'll be done. I'm thinking that this is going to be pretty easy from here on out, but we'll see about that. Okay, before I go any further, I need to finish off this zipper right here because I just kind of cut it off down here, and if I unzip it, it's gonna totally come undone. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just cut it a little bit shorter. I read online, it says you can burn the ends with a match, so why not? I'm gonna try. Okay, so my idea was I would just do something like this. I don't even know if you can see that, but I would just kind of like stitch this little pleat or fold down just down to here and just kind of like taper it out so it would still fit this width of the underbust. And then it would kind of look like a bustier. I don't know. Maybe it's stupid, but I'm gonna try it. Doesn't look amazing. Maybe I can like fold it under once more to make it appear as if it fits me better. Sure. Okay, now, how am I gonna make the sleeves? I was thinking that I could just cut like two kind of strips almost out of the excess fabric here and then just kind of like tack them down to the armpits, but I don't know how smart that is logistically because then I can't really move my arms. I think I figured out a way on how I can have like an off the shoulder type of sleeve without that non-movement problem. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have what am I gonna do? I know what I'm gonna do. I cut out this rectangle of fabric, right? I think I'm just gonna like, so I don't know what this is called, but where it's wider at the top and then kind of comes down here to all these pleats and then is the same in the back. So that you can just kind of like slide it off the shoulder like that, and it could go either way. I don't know. I don't care because I think it'll. And they look really cute, but they fall down really, really easily, which I should have anticipated, but I didn't. I know how to fix this problem. I've used this trick before. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a tiny thin piece of elastic just on the inside of the cap sleeve so that it'll kind of like cinch to my shoulder. And then it will give it a more kind of like ruffled look. And I think that'll be cute. And they don't really look the best down here. And I think they'll look a little bit better if I wear it off the shoulder with the elastic on it too. I'm gonna try that. Yes, I am seam ripping an entire string of elastic on one of these sleeves because I put it on the wrong side of the sleeve. I said to myself, this wouldn't be a project by me if something this stupid went wrong, which is true. But you know what, I'm just enjoying the moment. Enjoying sitting here, enjoying hearing Stony snore in the other room. And I'll be right back. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this one. It's kind of like random upcycle. All I have to say is keep your spirits up. I know that this has been hard on me, and I'm sure that it's been hard on you too. So be creative when you can, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you're doing well. And Stony and I hope to see you in our next video. Bye!